Hey folks, I've got my Greenworks 60 volt battery powered weed eater. I'm going to show you how to replace the string when you run out. First thing, and this might be obvious, but take the battery out just so nothing stupid happens. Next thing, you'll want to make sure you've got all the old string out of there. Sometimes that gets people confused. There are these two tabs on either side of the head here. If you know your string's out, you're fine, but if there's still some left over, you've got to push those tabs in simultaneously, and then this top cap will pop out. You see what I'm doing there? Pushing those out, and then this will come out. Sometimes this is hard to get off. Also can be hard to get back on. But if it's hard to get off, just take a screwdriver like this, push it in at the top, and then just lightly push down a little bit on the first one, then do the same thing, and then you can pull it out real easily. But since I already showed you how to do that, we're good. Now you're going to need up to 23 feet of string, and you can use as thick as you want, up to 0.95 inch diameter. You could use thinner if you want. 0.80 is pretty common. So you're just going to take a length of string, and here's some existing string that I have. Now that you've got the old string out, pull it out when you take the head off. You're going to line these green lines up that are on the head here. You're going to line those up with the slots in the head. So I'm going to push down so I can turn it and get those lined up almost there. And you'll feel a little notch. So the lines there are lined up with a hole. And if you look closely, and it might be difficult to see in there, but inside the slot, you can see the hole where the string's going to go. Next, you're going to feed the string through one side, and the hole that it's going to go in is right up on this side, not down here. So up on this side, you're going to feed that through, and it's going to come out the other side like that. And you're going to pull the string until you've got equal lengths on each side of the hole. So I'm going to pull this off camera so I've got equal lengths on both sides. Now that I've got equal lengths of string on both sides, I'm going to just push and turn this clockwise as looking at it. You can see the arrows are on there. You're just going to spin that, and you'll be able to see that the string is getting wound in there. And you're just going to keep doing that until the length of string you've got on each side is to this cutoff blade length. Now sometimes you didn't get it perfect, and one length is this far and the other one's perfect. In that case, I just take pliers and snip them. You can turn the head on and turn the weed eater on and bump it on the ground, but this is better. That's all there is to it. You're back in action. Check out the rest of my channel. I've got lots of other interesting videos, quick solutions for around the house. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.